Yeah, that was a reference to Rita or Girls featuring Charlie XCX, Cardi B, and BB Rexa. Fucking forget. Oh shit. There's. I'm disappointed. Yes, the game I used to play a lot though was Lego Marvel Avengers. Lego Marvel Superheroes, sorry. The first game that came out before sequel or spin off, I want to say, because it's not really connected like the sequel is. Lego Marvel Avengers. I was invested in that one for a while. Unlocked all the characters. Silver Surfer and Deadpool were the most expensive ones. And Archangel, the mutant, that's in X-Men. There's also Wolverine. Stanley had Wolverine's healing powers, Spider-Man's web slinging powers. He didn't have super speed, but it was fucking dope that he had healing powers, because, I mean, healing powers. He even healed the same way. He was like stunned there. Roar out. He's healed and then crack his neck. Like Wolverine did. Yeah, it's fucking badass. Yeah, unlock Stanley the same way you unlock Stanley in the other games is by finding all the Stanley and perils. I assume that's how you unlock him in Lego Marvel Avengers 2 as well, because, I mean, he's got to be part of that game. I remember doing the story on Lego Marvel Superheroes 2 and getting stuck on one part because I had to take a picture of specific things. One specific thing I couldn't find. No matter where I looked, I don't know. I looked high and low unless I was supposed to. I even tried going in the water because you were able to do that. You were just able to swim around or walk underwater. It was pretty cool anyway. There was even more customization than there was in Lego Marvel Avengers or Lego Marvel Superheroes, the first one. So you can scroll through the faces of the heroes and villains that you've unlocked just by customizing like that instead of the previous ways you were able to do it. I think I bought everything for that one too, the downloadable content for Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. So I can't remember if I unlocked everything for Lego Marvel Superheroes, the first one, or not, because I was more invested in the sequel in Avengers. the Marvel Avengers, and especially since that Black Panther mission that you can unlock, or that Doctor Strange mission. Those are the fun ones. Especially because you can like clock that bad guy on the first bad guy on like a Marvel Avengers. And he like flies for a distance and then hits the force field and he gets like, zapped and then he's like out for the rest of the game. Like what they do for a two boss kind of thing. One gets knocked out, the other one just like the other one takes his place or whatever. I'm just like, oh yeah, looking for the spoon. Oh my god, it's just, there we go. I used to fucking have the spoonfuls, but now it's just like just the tip. Kehlani's music video. Good thing. I know you got a good thing with me. I got a good thing with me. Tell me that you got a good thing for me. Say you already got a good thing for me. It's a fucking bop. And I like the music video too. It's that Bond guy. I'm on Jersey. Stick to the sound list, okay? One of those lists to make the life a little more interesting for other people, like friends or whatever. Not that it's a bad thing or anything, I'm just saying. Oh shit, oh shit. Dun, 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 dun. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out of their little house? Genie, off the moon. You can sing like this, you give me a chance. Will Smith in that role, he fucking killed it. He killed it. He represented. He fucking did it. Like I wasn't sure about his like how it's gonna be or how they were gonna do it, but they just like went for it and he pulled it off. I mean, yeah, it was tragic what happened to Robin Williams. He was one of the best ones. Up there with the legends, Tupac, Michael Jackson. Elvis. Brittany Murphy. Fucking legends. Assume she's out. Oh, it's her. Just checking on you. Okay. Yeah, she's okay. She's just at the door, lying down, just like chilling there. Just looked up. It's cute. Just our cute little dog. I'm glad it was Chihuahuas that we got instead of like huge dogs, because I don't know how dynamic of big dogs would have gone. No, because like I always like pick them up and like kiss them and they kiss me back. You can't do that with a big dog. Well, I mean, some people do, and that's how they do it, and that's. But I don't have like big muscles, and I've got noodle arms, so I wouldn't be able to do that with the big dog. I can't even push a big dog off me when they're on me, licking me. Just like, bitch, get off me. I'm just kidding. I love dogs. I just don't like that much loving, if you know what I mean. It's just a bit much. I kind of have an idea. Kind of worked. I just had this little mat thing that we use for putting hot stuff on. The idea was it wasn't like gonna slip as much. It still kind of slipped, but it wasn't. The phone didn't fall, so that's a plus. Bucket, yeah. Twice the fruit. I like it. I like that smell. I mean, it's like similar to the shit that's in strawberry pies. It's like same texture, same smell, same look even. Oh shit! I thought she was like gonna stay out there for a little bit. Bella. I mean, she's okay out there for a little bit, right? I mean, it's not like it's minus 40 or some shit like that. It's only like, it's gotta be like, what was it yesterday? It wasn't even that cold yesterday either. You can fucking tell it's like getting closer to winter though, because I just like went outside to check what was in the freezer yesterday. My God, it is fucking freezing out there. For me, it was anyway. It's like my body wasn't like meant to go through cold temperatures like that. Because even temperatures like that, I was fucking freezing.